Yes, hello guys, welcome again to my channel. And yes, today we're going to learn another new interesting software program tutorial. I've been scrolling over the YouTube channel spaces and I found this interesting software channel called Living Wisdom. If you look at this channel, you may find that it has 1.32 million subscribers with 536 videos. And if you scroll over, you will find that there are interesting videos you can see having attracting stories. So you may wonder and ask yourself how this guy makes these videos. So well, I'm going to show you how you can easily make these type of videos. Very catching, interesting storytelling. So one of the first steps how you can do these videos, you need to have some good skills. First of all, you have to know how to generate these prompts, to generate the photos, how to know how to create the script of the story. So you have to go through ChatGPT or any other content writing tools. You have to go to Midjourney or any other like Leonardo AI. So you have to be a master of prompt engineer. And again, you have to go through other editing softwares like CapCut. So well, what if we have another software program that can do all that for you? And that is what I'm going to show you today. So there is one new AI software program that you just only need to have your script and then you have the already made video. So this is one type of the software. I've found it very nice, where you only need to just have your script, or you have your own prompts where you have your own story, and then you just put it into the software program, and then you have the already made video. So this is the software where they have compiled everything within. It has CapCut within, it has image generation within, it has voiceovers within, it has music, everything just within, and that is SmartShort AI. So we are going to go to that and I will show you. If you don't have the account, you just need to sign up. If you have, just need to sign in. So now we are already in the dashboard of SmartShort. If you go to the pricing, so you need to have if you go to the pricing, you will find out like that you will find out that start creating today depends on your needs. You can either have a yearly program, where you will have some good discounts. And by the way, in my description you will find a link where you will have to use my link and have 30% discount if you use my link. And you will see that basic edition starting in a content writing of $14. This is the monthly subscription. A yearly subscription, if you go to monthly, it will to 19 monthly, and where you will have 20 shorts per month, edit, preview videos, premium voices, premium images. And here that means that this is the only software program that has had everything within. It has 11 labs within, it has the image creations, it has captions. As I'm going to show you within. If you're going to make a video, so if you need to make a nice video, you have to have a payment subscription of best, expert edition, and also pro editions. So if you have a pro editions, you have to generate 100 shorts per month, expert edition 50 shorts per month, and best edition 20 shorts per month. So if you go back here, you will have some of the unique videos made. And if I scroll, we will have as I told you, affiliate. And if you go to our dashboard, These are some of the videos you can see, you can have which are been generated already, and you can as well customize, you post your video. So these are types of this reels, very high catching, interesting. So if you go to our dashboard, if I take you to the dashboard, you'll find that we have to create a new project. This is one of the video I created already. This is the type of video I created already. I want to show you how I made it. I had to have my script. If I need to go back here, I want to show you how to do this first of all. Okay, now I can show you from here on the dashboard. You only need this SmartShort AI has almost close to every language. You can use English, Spanish, Japanese, Ukrainian, Chinese, Dutch, Germany, and many other. In any language you want your video to appear, you can just use any language. So here, your video idea, they also present for you which type of video you want to generate, whether scary stories, random stories, motivational, bedtime stories, interesting history, fun facts, long form jokes, life pro tips, or early 5 or philosophy. So you just need here to come and choose any, or motivational or fun facts, and then you have to put your script. For that case of script, you have to go to Gravity Write, Gravity Write, or any content writing tool like ChatGPT, where you will have to put your story. For that time, I created a video which is about fun fact, how the story was about legacy of steel tycoon, and I wanted a story about Andrew Carnegie, and this is the story I created about Andrew Carnegie. So if you look at the story that I created, and I will play for you the story of Andrew Carnegie, how it is looking like.
Andrew Carnegie, born in 1835 in Scotland, emigrated to the US with his family as a child. He started working at age 13 and eventually became one of the richest men in history. He became wealthy through his steel empire. Carnegie was a prolific philanthropist, giving away over $350 million to causes like education and libraries. His belief in the gospel of wealth led him to fund over 2,500 public libraries, many still in use today. Carnegie also funded the establishment of Carnegie Mellon University. He was a major supporter of the arts and scientific research. Despite his vast wealth, he believed in giving back and used his fortune to improve society. Carnegie left a lasting legacy in education and culture.
So that's how the video reel looks like. So you can do edit, you can do voiceovers, you can change the styles, you can change the captions, the hooks, edit, music, configurations. So if you look at the footages, they will show you the footages which are here, how they are showing, so that you can update them. You can do update and change where you see that is not moving properly, the motion, the transition, the sound, so that you can update, so that you make an interesting video. The voiceovers, the voiceovers, you can also change the voice and put any voice that is favorable for you. For this case, we had to put Fable, because here there is 11 labs within the software program, so you can just scroll and change any voice you like. Shima, Adam, some other voices are of premium, but if you pay, you can receive very interesting voiceovers like Adam, that is mostly used in many other interesting storytelling videos, Alice, and many other. So you can either edit the voiceover. The styles, you can also change the styles. As you can see how these things pop up, it means like the captions, and then the the captions, how you want them to be looking. Also, you have the way you can do edit this, so you can even add some emojis in the video. Then editing, apply all, glow, zoom, pop-up, fading, italic. This you have many options to choose from the video already made, but you can have choice to change the way you like, but already packed within this AI software program. And again, the music, you have a space to choose any type of music, the background music you need to apply through into your reel. Even if you don't feel like you like the music, which is free here, you can as well upload from your file and have that well edited, interesting, catching video. So for that, you can as well save, and then if you have a paid subscription of it, you can pay and then have your video in the files and then upload it to any, or the Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. So there is an affiliate program where you can become part of it. You can join and become an affiliate and start earning from it. Community, you can as well join the community and learn more through the Discord. So this is how this software is interesting. If you're there stranded how to make shorts, you don't want to have your face into the video, this is how you can monetize your channel or your reels using this faceless YouTube video software programs to make these interesting reels. This is very mind-blowing. So I hope you have got something, you have learned something. Stay cool. Bye bye.